Hello and welcome to Learn Oracle Database video tutorial series. I'm Ahmed, and in this video we'll learn data manipulation using SQL. We'll learn how to insert data into tables using insert statement, how to update existing data using update statement, and how to delete data from the table using delete statement. Let's take a look at insert into statement. Insert into statement starts with insert into keywords, and after that we'll provide table name, and after that in a parenthesis we'll provide columns which are to be affected, and after that values clause will be provided, and after values clause we'll provide values in the same order of the columns. You must specify a row of values to be inserted into the table of view. You must specify a value in the values clause for each column in the column list. If you omit the column list, then the values clause must provide values for every column in the table. Here is an example of insert into statement. We are inserting into a table employees underscore demo, which we have already created for this tutorial's sake. So after insert into clause, employees underscore demo, the table name is provided, and in the parentheses we are providing the column names, and in the values, after the values clause, we are providing the values in the same order of the columns. In the second example, we are not providing, or we are omitting the columns list, and in this case we are only providing the values list in the parentheses. Let's take a look at a demo. This is a demo of the example we have previously discussed. Now let's execute this statement. And here we go. You can see one row insert. This is a demo of the second example where we are omitting the columns list. Let's execute this statement and see the result. Here we go, one row inserted. You can also insert data from another table by simply using select statement inside insert into statement. As you can see on the screen, we are inserting into employees underscore demo table from another table, and in this case employees table. Here in this demo we are using the example we have previously discussed. Here we go, one row inserted. In this demo, we'll use SQL Developer to insert a row into the table. Double click on the table and click on the Data tab. Click on a plus sign button, which is in green color, and a new row will appear. In this row, we'll provide values in the corresponding column. Now, to save this data, click on the green tick button. Here we go. Update statement changes column values in an existing record. The syntax of update statement is update table name, set column name, and is equal to value, and to provide a condition in the where clause we'll provide a column name and its value, so that only the column names are only the rows affected which meet the criteria we provide in the where clause. Below is an example where we are updating departments underscore demo table and setting department name value to administration, where department ID is 290. This is an example of this is a demo of the example we have discussed earlier, and after executing this statement, you can see one row is updated. Delete statement removes a row or multiple rows from the table. The syntax of the delete statement is delete keyword and from keyword, and then after from keyword we'll provide table name, and after that we'll provide a condition of to provide a condition to remove the certain rows from the table in the where clause. Below is an example of delete statement, where we are deleting a row from departments underscore demo table, where department ID is 290. This is a demo of the previous example we have just seen of delete statement. Executing this statement, we can see one row deleted. Truncate command removes all rows from the table. The syntax of this command statement is truncate table and the table name. Please take great care before executing truncate table statement or command. This statement is irreversible, and once all rows are deleted by using this command, they cannot be brought back or reversed. Commit will make changes permanent after the DML insert, update, delete operations, whereas rollback will undo the changes after DML operations until the last commit. But remember that you cannot roll back a truncate table statement.